Alright, hopefully the battery doesn't die. I believe we got our gas tank. Yep, there it is. Got our gas tank. Of course, I did a little bit of cleaning up. Did a little bit of cleaning up here too. Got a little bit of degreaser in there. It's still a little greasy. Did some spray painting around here. Cleaned it up a bit. Since our last video. So our next video, we basically should have the gas tank in and it should be ready to run and drive. So we got our temp tag for it, so we can actually take it out. So, new parts, new fun, here we go. Ready to roll. Get this thing going. Alright, take it easy guys, peace.